Debris removal begins to pave the way for damage assessment in Middle Tennessee.
Tennessee remains in a state of emergency tonight after tornadoes tore apart families and entire communities. The Tennessee Department of Health confirmed 24 people across Middle Tennessee died in the Tuesday morning severe weather. Our sister station, WKRN in Nashville, is reporting an additional death this evening. That would bring the total to 25. 18 of those deaths were in Putnam County, and this is an aerial view of the devastation. It really gives you an idea of the strength of the storms. Ashley Sharp spent the day in Putnam County. How are recovery efforts going, Ashley?
Well, Josh, the recovery efforts have been incredible to see the amount of volunteers out and about in Putnam County today. But in the aftermath of the storm, what's left behind are shells of what once stood in these neighborhoods. For this home, all that's left is the foundation. Tonight, we spoke with survivors who share their stories of when the tornado hit their home.
It was tense because we kept hearing this pounding rain.
In this Cookeville neighborhood, taking cover from Tuesday's tornado happened in a matter of seconds.
I dove in the bathroom just as I did. The roof pulled up a little bit. My son started to be pulled up. I pulled him down, wedged between the toilet, the wall, and the cabinet with my legs, pushed down on my wife and my daughters.
Speechless with fear, bunkered in a bathroom, William says his daughter found the strength to pray.
I was like, we're going to be okay. We're going to be okay.
The only reason his family is alive today is because of that bathroom, the only part of the house the tornado left standing.
God put his hand over us because that eye of that storm came right directly through here.
Across the street,
let's go this way. Watch the nails.
Is Billy Leath.
Like a refrigerator hanging up there.
He says when he and his wife got the alert to take cover, the storm was already there.
A lot of fear. We didn't have time to fear.
In the wake of destruction, these neighbors are grateful to see another day.
We'll just move on with what life we got left. And that's it now.
With resilience and also remembrance.
We're already kind of like phoenixes. We're already rising from the rubble. There's a lot of people that's not rising. But we need to remember them.
And that's a sentiment that has been echoed throughout this entire community tonight. Neighbors asking for prayers, but not for themselves, for their friends and family members who have lost loved ones in the aftermath of this storm. Here in Putnam County, the community remains strong tonight. We have seen that throughout the entire day, the resilience of neighbors and those willing to lend a helping hand. Josh, Sarah, we'll send things back to you live from Cookeville.